this is picking up the sound. With all the boogeyman stories of unexplained sounds, what I believe they're doing is they're testing a high frequency sound to subconsciously get people into something. I'll let this run for a little bit and listen. It's been like that for about an hour. It's 11:10 a.m. right now. Tuesday, whatever. '15, '16, '17, whatever Tuesday is in May 2015. You hear that sound? It's not space aliens. If anything, if you want to say space, the spraying they've done in the skies, as you can see up there is another faint spray trail all the way down that way. They put this stuff in the atmosphere for a reason. It's not up there just accidentally, and not an accident either. You can hear that sound if you sit and listen to it. But if you're subconsciously, while you're doing things, you don't pay no attention to it, you can still hear it and you don't even realize it. I don't know if this is coming out on video, on the video camera. It's similar to when what was it, War of the World, the first one. The background noise from the UFOs. Again, this is all bullshit. If they say that's what it is, it's bullshit. This is government. This is man-made. My wife said something about it last night. You could hear a little bit for a while and it stopped. But it's been like this all morning, and I figure I'm going to try to get it on video. My laptop has been uploading updates for like 3 hours, 4 hours, and I shut it off, turn it back on, and the sucker is done. Isn't that amazing? See, I hear the plane up in the sky. Look, there's no white trail coming out behind its tail. How is it staying up in the air? I don't understand. Yeah. All right, bird, you can stop right now. Well, again, I don't know if it's coming out. In the background, you should hear it. But my educated guess, and it is just a guess, it's government doing something. Putting out a frequency like this for people to hear it subconsciously when they're not paying attention. There's a reason for it, trust me. It's not an accident. It's not no damn alien bullshit either. Okay, that's all I'm going to do for now.
tare acum, vezi?
Să dai volumul, să audă calm la microfon.
Chiar să aude ciudat oricum.
Dar e un sunet mecanic oricum. E ca și cum ar fi un avion sau ceva în piele.
Da, mă, dar nu vezi.
Dar e constant. Și care dreptate asta că e dubios, ce până poate să facă sunetul ăsta atât de puternic? E ca și cum s-ar auzi departe, dar în același timp destul de aproape.
Da, exact.
Și n-are ce să facă cu aia sunetul ăsta în noapte.
Ia, fii atent cum se mai aude. Se aude mai încet. Ba mai tare, ba mai
Eu
încet.
tot mă gândesc că e de undeva de pe bulevard, să aude.
Bă,
Da, bă,
n-are
e ca
cum.
am mai văzut și filmulețe gen. Și în altă parte. Tot cu sunetul de genul ăsta. Ce am văzut. Ce dubios. Spui niște întrebări așa.